Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you set up Trello. Also, this is basically a project management tool if you have a team, and I will guide you through on how you can set this up. So it is completely free guys. So over here in the sign up, it is very easy to do. So you can go ahead and enter your email, but you can also make an account with Google. So for example, I'll use a Google account. So I will use a random account here and just create that account. So basically with this, it will have boards. So for example, you can organize tasks for your team. So for example, if you are in a company and you are with a group of individuals, you can go ahead and use this website tool to organize the task that you have for your team. So let's build a first board and let's name that board. Um, so for example, a food, you have a food business and name your list. So for example, on your list, you can rename this on what you want. So for example, for the first board, we want to have a to-do to-do list, for example. For example, the second one is to um, the ongoing task, and for the last one is for the completed task. So once done with that, you can click on next. So as you can see, it created three boards: to do task, ongoing, and completed. So for the card one, let's rename this to, for example, a um, have have a food inventory. And for the card 2, you can rename this for um, buy food stocks, for example, and next. So this is just a um, basic tutorial or guide. So you can start off with this Trello. So as you can see, you're all set. And you can also invite your teammates here. You just have to enter their respective emails here and there. So if you don't want it like us, we can go ahead and skip that, and you can go ahead and do that as well. So for example here, for the boards, we can go ahead and edit this to what we want. So for example, on the watch, if you want to have notifications for this card, you can do so as well. If you don't want, then you have to disable it. So you can also add a card here if you want. But for this one, we can not have that card. And you can also add members, labels, checklist, dates here. And you can also explore this, and you can also make a template here. Also, you can share this board so you can um, have your teammates view this. And for example, you've now done this one and you want to move it to ongoing tasks, you can do so as well by dragging and dropping. And there, like that. And you can also edit this one by editing the label. So for example, so you can differentiate each and every one of it. So there and there guys. So, and you can also rename it. So you can also share this entire board to your um, team members. You just have to create the link, and you can also edit the privacy here. So on here, let's check on what we can do. So here, there, so you can show the details here. And you can also add descriptions, write a comment here if you have any uh, issues or anything to add on the comment. So there guys, this is basically on how you can start a project management tool for this Trello and how you can set this up and there. So you can also make this privacy here. Lastly, and there guys. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.